Hey everyone, this is Viren and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another marketing tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram ads for your Instagram posts right from the app itself. So here are all my posts and I'm going to select any one of them and create an ad for them. The good thing about boosting your posts right from Instagram is that when people like or comment on it, it shows directly on these posts right here, much like your boost posts on Facebook. But before you begin, you need to make sure you have a business profile on Instagram. So you go into settings and here you will find business settings. I can see switch back to personal account here, but what you need to do is create business profile. You will need a Facebook page for this. You will have to connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page, and once you're done with that, that's about it. You will have a business profile. You will be able to see something like this analytics tab here right at the top right corner of the screen, and you will be able to see analytics for all your posts. Let us get started with creating an ad. Let me select any one of my posts. Let me start with this one, minimalism, and as you can see there's this promote button here right below the post. Let me click on that. Firstly, you need to choose what kind of promotion you want to do. Do you want more profile visits, get more website visits, or reach people near an address? So let me select get more profile visits. So the objective here is get more profile visits. The destination is my profile. The action button is visit Instagram profile. The audience is automatic. You can change this. What automatic means is that Facebook will try and reach people who are similar to your followers or might be interested in your content. You can also create your own audience. You can give your audience a name, the locations. Let me select some cities in India. Click done. You can select interests. Let me start typing something along the line of minimalism. Select done. I can select the age group. Select somewhere between 20 to 30. All genders. Click done. And I have my test audience created. Let's go back. You can change the budget. You can select a total budget. There's an estimated reach given along with these budget options. You can set your own. Let me just select 100 for now. The duration is 1 day. Let's click done. And make sure you have a card connected, which you can see right here. And in case you don't, there'll be an option to connect your card. In case you're already advertising on Facebook, your same card will be shown here. Once you're done, click on create promotion. That's it. Thanks. Your promotion has been sent for review. If you click on the notifications tab and go under promotions on top, you will see all your promotions here. This one is currently under pending, and keep in mind that once the ad is live, you can click on the ad here under promotions and click on view results here on the bottom of the image and see the results of the promotion here right from the app itself. Also remember that if you log into the ads manager from desktop itself, you will be able to see the Instagram posts you promoted here as well, and you can monitor the activities directly from desktop or the Instagram app.
And that's about it for this tutorial. I hope I was able to teach you something new and add value to you. If I did, please hit the thumbs up button, comment and let me know, and subscribe to my channel for more marketing content. If you're looking to have a one-on-one session with me, the best way to reach me is through Instagram. The link is right here. Thank you.